Okay guys, welcome back to our channel, the Topper Chef's channel. Today we're going to make Huevos Rancheros with Salsa Roja. Okay guys, so now you need this oil. It is hot, nice and hot. And just like our other video where we made, the eggs have to be beaten really well and poured into it. There you go. And let it cook nice and crispy on both sides. Salt. So you can see it is nice and crispy now, so I'm going to flip this now. And then break it up. Not like scrambled, but break it up nice. Like this, brown on all sides. There you are. To this I'm going to add my salsa now. Okay, let's cook this a little bit so it gets crispy. Okay, so to this we're going to add 3, then little water to make it little soupy. Add your cilantro to it. Just mix it. Oh wow, the flavor, this whole thing, the salsa, everything's amazing. So this is all it is. It's ready. Now we can plate this and it's ready. Okay, so now this is all ready. So that's how fast this was. So you can see this, our eggs with salsa roja. So this, if you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up. Okay guys, so this is basically the scrambled egg which we made with the red salsa, the restaurant style salsa. Now this is what I do have for breakfast. We got some beans, the scrambled eggs, and some fresh tortillas which I heated up. And let's taste this. Just right. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!